Hey, all my fellow YouTube friends. Hey, coming with you update here, because I didn't have an update on anything here in a while. But I've still been working here. So, gotta tell you, I bought the AMT 68 Roadrunner here. This is awesome little kit here. Classic orange there. But anyway, so I've been working on the AMT 68 Roadrunner here. I've been working on this here. And I just wanted to give you an update here. This thing's almost done. I just wanted to catch you up here. So, let me go with the body first, because I was originally going with a two-tone color here, where it was going to be like a blue vinyl top, and then the white body, and then the rocker panels in blue. But when I did it, it was, well, subpar at best. The masking was bad, it had overspray. It just didn't look right. So, I didn't like it. So I just went back with the blue. This is just, to me, a pure blue. Nothing fancy. I have a red stripe that actually came off the Revell 68 Chevelle model kit. I started the chrome trim work there. Those I just do with the Tester's paint pen. It usually takes about 2 coats, let it sit a couple days, go over it again, and it's fine. So, got the red stripe on this blue here because I originally painted. Well, the original plan was for the white and the blue, and then I was doing the hot rod engine here. So I had the I don't know what you call them, but kind of like the drag wheels. But since it went blue, I may go to the regular wheels. I don't know, those guys. But I got the tires in here real nice on the chassis. This one sits out a little bit, but I may not be able to switch those as easily as I think I will be. But, because I would totally do the red line. The tires have the Goodyear on one side, red line on the other side. Really cool. I like the red lines. But yeah, this all went together really well. So, and then the interior, I was super proud of the interior. That's a different part of a car there. So, I did it two-tone blue. Again, the Tamiya pure blue is the darker blue. The light blue is Tamiya light blue. Did the red pinstriping on it, which I think came out really, really awesome. The dashboard, 2 decals on the dashboard there, the radio and the gauges there. Came out pretty sweet. There's some silver lines there for some chrome work. The doors, got the silver line on there. Didn't know where to put a red line on the doors there. Big focus, there it goes. But yeah, those seats came out really nice, so I think that would look really cool on that. And I thought that would have looked good on a blue and white car. But as of right now, it's just going to be all blue with the red stripe, because that's why I put the red stripe on, to match that red stripe. So I think it's going to look pretty sharp here when it gets to be a little more. So what I want to do is I want to put a couple more chrome trim work, do that up so it's nice. And then I'm going to black wash the grill here. And then put a couple coats of the quick shine floor polish on it. Give it a nice shine. Kind of buff it out a little bit then. And then put everything together. I have the front grill ready to go. The lights on the turn signal lights on the front grill there. Need a little work on the rear lights there. But that's okay. We're going to get through here. Not a problem here. So, that's where I'm at with the 68 Roadrunner. I think it's looking pretty sharp. I think it's pretty cool. And I'll catch you guys up when get a little more progress on it, because I'm hoping the next progress, or the next video for this bad boy will be when it's done. But we'll see. Because, sometimes plans don't always go well. Hey, the dog came in for a visit. Hey, Boogie. There you go. What you want? What you want? Nothing? Alright, yeah, go sniff mommy stuff. Alright, so, anyways, I've been catching up on a lot of videos lately. I fell behind. So, if I haven't watched your videos in a while, and you know what I normally do, I apologize. But I've been trying to catch up lately. So, yeah. Weather's getting good outside, so wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I'm hoping it's a good one for all of you. Alright, everybody, I'll catch you later. Bye.